Stop your nonsense. I was your NDC journalist. Nana Jantuah have a reply. Anthony Nukwenu, NDC Organizer na yes obe di Ghana for nyina terminal. Oh, Nana Jantuah have a reply no. Have a reply no. Na be bo mo tie. No a kire wadwe ama me. E wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Me so say any dey mo. Obe like video no other my boss subscriber to so na be click notification icon for latest update. Na be kire wadwe dey ama me. E wo comment section. Best as well as no one share for so anya bi ahwe. Eya na manfo ni bi entantima say I always tag Nana Jantuah as NDC journalist. Masa, ma follow no on several occasions, meaning ins and outs. I'm on one that cross. I be create on one YouTube channel. I have to Nana Jantuah TV. Me follow no. I know him a lot. I follow him keenly. Sometimes he want to stay neutral. At times, Charlie, he's not a neutral person. He is not a neutral man. We gotta remember, on one of the say Mahama third term agenda ne there. Mahama ain't forget it. They say Mahama ain't just say or go for third term one. Or no, Nana Jantuah or be a campaign ewo Ghana hanumo etia gidi Mahama ain't me nyina no. But Nancy we tell say Mahama is the only person to save Ghana 80 no. Mahama third term. He even support fourth term agenda for Mahama. Someone who just said not long ago, not just this year, about 3 months ago, Oka said, Mahama go for third term or Obeka said now no, he's even bidding for fourth term. And when I tag him as NDC journalist, don't be angry because I follow him a lot. I follow him keenly across all social media handles. Now, I don't know what's on the Yeka. Obaka Enchebia, Adam bro video and I say Anthony Nukwenu, NDC Greater Accra Regional, organizer. Okotena Sempa FM. Na Ghana for car say ashadobotwe road ni main road no kwan ne nye into osere omu hwe ko mu enje no okodi wo matem. Organizer ekodi wo matem ko di Ghana for na tem ni real fi say Ghana for na the tuma NDC government emu betena kunya ne so okotu wo mu na santo ho no ebusu Nana Jantuah aba reply no he o chire za nkwasea we onsuya nyansa
Samo be kaya ade baako a comment bi a yem papa Nana Jantuah Akufo-Addo emekiye emre bi I think around 2019 ho baby yera Nana Akufo-Addo emeki statement bi. That was 2 years ago, 3 years. He said, because 3 years. So, go take FM. And minia Captain Koda. Then I want to host no. Yera Nana Akufo-Addo can same in every year. And Captain Koda no ye hosts. Ebusa ne say, my entire question no. Maybe ka same bintia. Me kai wo kakra. Me kai wo kakra.
Any man so yenim se kwabrefo manfo kwabre any man so yenim se kwabrefo wo de hwe voting pattern omo to abadodo pa de manana omo se men kanche yes omo se men kanche president so omo kwan no se president anya ma wo mo a na se be omo ya pa na 2024 on beto banetia NPP.
No problem.
You do it.
I'm saying people make those kind of threats. Me, they don't frighten me.
Okay.
Somebody votes for you, somebody supports you. It's because they want you to do things for them. I understand that. There's no need for people to go to Manya say. I don't want to answer. But of course, mayor. About who decided to be to NDC. What was I don't know myself.
Man for kwabre, any man so. Yenim se kwabre for. Wo de share voting pattern. Omo to abadodo pa de manana. Obviously, men country, yes. Obviously, men country president. So, my kwan no say president anya ma wo mo a. Na say be yo mo ya pa na 2024 on be to abanetia NPP.
No problem, no problem.
You do it.
I'm saying people make those kind of threats. Me, they don't frighten me.
Okay.
Somebody votes for you, somebody supports you. It's because they want you to do things for them. I understand that. There's no need for people to go to Manya say. I don't want to watch them. Of course, mayor. About who decided over to am NDC. I was a man. I don't know myself.
One for Quabre. And
Ishra 104.5
and Yemra Facebook Ishra 104.5. So Becca is asking we Quabre for. Yeah, the campaign be bree. Every MP before no, Nanado Danko Kufado Kayano. O menti me and defend it, and also menti me and Kase president, one Kase ye. And we hasa. Sometimes I wonder the reason why Anna MP before per se, Omu the reason why they lost, especially in Ashanti region. President Bekans asem no, echere Quabre for na, Omotu aba bebre ema MPP no, okansa asem we, obia ntimi ampacho. NDC for the year campaign, etia Nana Akufo-Addo ni MPP. In fact, I remember Yera John Dramani Mahama ebe promise Quabre for se oba e kwan na Nana Akufo-Addo ebe to ayampia no oba obe fix it. Yera John Dramani Mahama okan wansem. Enti yen nyina ya gye atum ade ba akwa be kaya Yera John Dramani Mahama betena so o say on pese obia be ahantan e wona aban mu wakasa asem no emre bi kra standogo issue ye ka ho asem nenra on our sister station Asempa 94.7 in Accra minia obi ena a host to no say bonsu ena host to Greater Accra region omo chairman of NDC na your friend let me get the name correct. Your friend Anthony Nukwenu ena Madina Kwan enye Madina omo Madina no mu complain pa say e kwan na very terrible enti omunya hu bibi na omo aban no enfix it mebo e kwan ya NDC ni just 10 months in government oye Greater Accra regional chairman of the NDC just 10 months sa kwan na wo Medina ne sa biaye ho no at that time MPP time mo call demonstration Emma NDC for also joining in that demonstration e ko say Nana Akufo-Addo very insensitive or ye wicked na ompeso abaye kwan no ama wo mu abaya sesa 10 months and nkrofo ne say ye kwan no still she NCA or ye Greater Accra regional chairman of NDC yentie commenter or the ma oma omubusasa wo de yentie ni posture bra Facebook ye de to
the roads from Asaliboche Highway Junction to Lakeside Estate is so bad that saloon cars find it difficult to move and it creates huge traffic.
And I'm sure some more motor concrete no Asaliboche kwan ne sa kwan no terrible e kwan ne nye na sa kwan no enye nne na na say you e say ma NDC for kon ho demonstration kroma for ne ko demonstration NDC for de omu hu jim e kwan no de tia netie and now obi de
Obi we have
or the text message by say Obi read the never chere NDC ni panyin no say e kwan no enye yentie the post am person be share video no tia na wo share video no na share the posture the way ana akwa ni si kasa ni the way ahomaso tantan bia na o kire wo ho wo de tie
Liboche Highway Junction to Lakeside Estate is so bad that saloon cars find it difficult to move and it creates huge traffic. Obi, we have tried calling the NP Abu Ramadan's office, but we've not been successful. Obi, we are dying on the highways to Lakeside Road. Please help us. Hashtag fix Boche roads. Hey, na Abu Ramadan ono de kwaya Adamu. Yeah, Adamu Ramadan. No, yeah, MP no. Or can MP no. Na MP we so yeah adwuma de.
Then only.
Now Muka Rose as I do their own thing.
Almost some contribution.
No money taxes.
They should go and they can amend it.
Oh, please. Do you know
I am telling you seriously, when you live in a community that there is a problem, the community can come together, fix something before government come in. We should stop complaining. We are not helping ourselves. Talking about here.
Now the no, and the business is
the road was constructed. It has have defects. Currently, if there is no budget, you can't force it to be there.
Yes.
The community should come together. They should come together and do something to put it in a motorable way. Once the government plans to come in, people should stop complaining in this country. Obi, complain masters. I'm
on for a trial or more quiet.
Our focus is on roles of economic importance.
But the Lakeside area is a big deal. That area
is now a revenue
from that place.
Progress. Revenue.
Boxer, fuel kakra, rounds be brave. Boxer, tia sumayanko.
Hey. Anyways,
no, you see, the reality is that not that it will not be done, but currently, if there's no budget, if there's no funds, you can't go to the site because to even go and grade and regravel,
but I think you should rather call on the assembly, say, even if Sabai Enya Kwaima,
I will call on the assembly. When there is commitment of citizens.
No, what I'm saying.
Because all the time, your customer citizens there, citizens,
what I'm saying is, what the citizen does. So on the taxes are, you deal with him, but so on the tax, then respectfully they are okay there because and not drip machines no. Drip machines is to make the roads more traffic.
And your fuel never talk.
Na fuel assembly into fuel.
Fast can pay me.
I'm say Ubets Naka, and I say. Abaya Babe announced say this time assembly in Kenya 25 million or say
that money so list of allocation.
Absolutely.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
When we drip fuel.
Oh, come off it.
That is IGF.
I was Penyah Oka say oye NDC ni a friend of Anthony Nupenu. Oye NDC Greater Accra, oye NDC Greater Accra Regional Organizer, and chairman, into point of correction, Mumfanchemi. Oye NDC Greater Accra Regional Organizer, and chairman. That was a mistake. Greater Accra Regional Organizer, Efeno Anthony Nukwenu. Ena ashalibuche for no ne kan ho asem because that route no nkofo ne fa ho. Ekwan ne nye wa ban ne wo so ne nkofo say oh ekwan ne nye de o ka kire omu ne say ekwan ne nye a wo mu nkoye de enti no mu nso te ho ekwan ne nye a so mu nso wo ka nkwa de wo ska nti wo mu gada no mu nye sa akwan no na ye kasa dodo de bia ne e complaini we ena NDC Regional Organizer etimi ka kire nipa omukoto waba Emma na Yera John Dramani Mahama ewini ye. Understand so your presidential staffer. Munya na mumpe ni picture nto mami. Na anunti na midi kan born na Akufo-Addo de no. Na Akufo-Addo ye kan se kwa abre de or say, oh, no problem. Mon to abe mo amasem. Me mean for so be as on to aba. NDC for can wasem. NDC waba. Aban de to. E aban na wo say ye kwan. Enye by force eni mremu se eye omanfo na ye kwan. Enye omanfo na ye kwan. Eni mremu. So omanfo no wo sikampo a omukobo assembly na oma assembly abem. Enti enye omanfo na ye kwan. Road construction no eye aban na ye roads. Sa kwan na eye place a nipa dodo na afa ho no according to him eye sikafo na wo ho na wo ka wo sikanti omu complain too much o man koye because aban ni ska. 2 onye president ono oye NDC organizer o organizing kofoso muntu abama NDC hwe enyoma bi say ana edrini me. But I am expecting, say, NDC from Penyah by the close of the day. Omunkasa binyansa sembinche sa abrantian. I understand, say, onoso ye one arrogant person or NDC mu. And now me de two social kofobe bromo testing me behind the scenes and say, sa no kasa basa. Onunye. Very arrogant. NDC impedi for mutie asemwe semwantimi anka nanu yera na kufodo kan bi kire kwa abrefo yamfa nche no ye the campaigning against the person semwantimi anka bibia it is assumed because of a presidential staffer so mwantimi anka bibi na aban ntimi antwe ne ho amfirimu a we assume say yera jo Mahama ne ka chen so meka nese asalibotwefo no monso na majimu sebi ada hofan amu hu se NDC aban se mo amomfa musika nkoye kwan no ente saa dia I'm expecting say NDC mpanyifo betwe omu hu afri saa asem we hu ne ehu se ono an ka saa nsem hunu we insema sabi nyansa nim we wahu una wunya obia just last 10 months now we are why. In fact, you are just a regional organizer of the NDC. And you were Nima na ne so a yera John Mahama and Nim na ne was na Ghana for Tomano. And then ne utimi kasa. And sometimes ana or a lucky and yaha. Obia ni suba minia obia no ojo or na me na kasa ansem hunu way e wa me studio and kemfa. I'm telling you kienye show no. Minya obi na no a diplomatic kakra na nka me na me host to ekosi san e na aka san sem hunu we ya anka ye nwie show no because sebi e chese wa adwemu o ha se abanya ya to abama no se o meye ye kwan na no mu ye ho demonstration e wo the same road no so wa abanya ba obi se ne kwan nye ai wo se nka wo kanya nsasem biewa no ka se oh ene ye behwe ye ni ebi esika kra nyambai we de mo fa ncha ye behwe de betimi aye na mmom ebi a mo betimi aboa ye kra na ene kakran kakra ye nyina kra de esi kanya nsasem o ye se na hantan saa ne sebi nsemuru kasa ne saa ena odi anyini ena obi antimi nka na asem enti obi na no ena o ka saa nsem hunu no ene simpanyfo saa de we se mo antimi anya wo hwe a ye mu bi ye be kai mo edruwa ye be kai enkranfo amoma hu ne se we yasema o kai ye no etra koye nyina ho enti ekire se me complaini ewo aha kumase se ye kwa anya se NDC mpanyifo antwe omu ho a it will be assuming se o madwini mu no ye be fa ne se ye wo kanti e wo se ye koye kwan no saa ne ye be ye no ye be extend this discussion no enye so aka no nkran kwa o se NDC mpanyifo antimi anka bibia amfa ho a yen ye be fa ne se asem no ka ye no se ye kase ye kwa anya mutiri mu no modwiri se yen ne yemfa esika nkoye saa kwan no eni ntina me se me pese magia tumu se NDC mpanyifo na mo sanction ye so ye presidential staffer oben aban kesie mu Nti I'm expecting say mpanyifo no be ka che ne say wanka nyansasem. Nti by the close of the day no, we kran ko nim nyansa enka timer I'm sure so atibia hu say obi e kasa na o kan yenye including NDC for ni bebre mpokra say akwa no wankasa yi NDC for kra o. NDC for me said then your official statement from NDC mpanyifo but omo ye full soldiers ne supporters no obi otie bia say akra na nkasa yi. Enti me expect some mpanyifo no be kata bisi say ya hwe ya makacho say ya hwe ya politicians we be for mu saa na politician me kaso mu nsua de complacency a hantai ne dwen no say you adwen say na asem we so eba now ye panyin na wanka ho hwea eda ho twɛn wo say asem we say omuka na wo yi wani o anya hwe o wanka say ye na wanka ne yi a eche nkrofo trim hwe maka cho say aban bia no ohyiase lusu from timer ye bema ne tumi from timer ye ma aban tumi no ye rajo Mahama every day ne sote every day sana about what ye etubon say 2028 no onya ne te say the NDC for onya ne te say na chebi onne ye ne appointees ne ye ne kasa bia wo beka no eno magana fo gina so me ehu say we serious and also onye serious irajo Mahama wadaroma nkofo we betimi agu anim ase I'm expecting say NDC mpanyufo would caution this guy say on your platform on Kenyans asem because sen nkofo se ye kwanye na aban meboaye no o se ye kasa dodo enne de ye kasa dodo mempese me de be friend this fo nyina enti na me yi ono asi wo no wo gina wo ye panyi wo se Ghana for kasa dodo you complaining too much. Jesus Christ. You are lucky I did not host you.
In Shiraya fan.
You are lucky. I'm just saying you are just lucky. You are just lucky say enyam nana me host you. Like I said, minia obio too diplomatic. Because yen sem tro for me sanse munu say me ma won to aso. Me ma won to aso kra na wetimi ato aso akeka sanse munu no. Who born dog? What kind of life is this? Say ani aya na manyofo akeka na nsem to for yenso e fane no. Ni ama omutrimi omude. Ni asoso omuso ana okeka arrogant. Who do they think they are? Omu ye hwan? Omu ye hwan? Because we nsem troni. Because na aba ntu onimade e chen Ghana for. You become who you are because of to me be. Because 10 months ago you were nothing. Aya momna from na munyai sansem hunu no. And MPP form ye arrogant and ye cashier and then no mamma no. And the MPP for near cashier tromo muntia or more a hand tie ye kokoti ma de be a mecatcher some more free swam hobe mobo and the MPP for the door now why a mobo me who be paying MPP for no more as a srabofu and MPP for now no more ye no more did attempt no more cancel and no more shiawa as a srabofu 10 months a pen I would this answer we. Jesus Christ. Yaneste kakra bekasa enche. Odi yanini ndinkomo. Yaneste kabekasa. Emne bi IMF. Any e-levy. Yeka e-levy hu asem steka say. Omun kwase po e-levy ni yebe je. Seka o. E-levy yebe je ene onso mamwa. Power can trick you. Yera kofone kai power can trick you to me betimi agia fru nsema mo hu se unyo obia mini akoku adohu atamils teso not a second con atamils koku ayidohu otimi di phone kura yi obi adi phone keke he was so powerful yera atamils free so ene koku ayidohu onyo obia ni mo ye ha minim DC is bi ne ministers bia kofo abreso uboni dia na obi edwane eno oma ye useless na no kofo minister panyi pa na ye boni din pa ye koshia wo baabi chese enam say hey papa we pa ja beji ni din wo kurom ha eno obi akra nkai no to me se sani pa o ba mo menhwe ye sa manyofo munya tumi a munyo bia mo mra fom Ide me expect say NDC for be Kenya nsasem.
Now about 10 months ago, now he was nothing. Chile wa dwema me e wo comment section. I Penyah Block Media.